All right. Hopefully, we should be streaming. Should be live. I don't think, personally, I'm going to get anyone, to be honest. But we shall see. Just because most of the people who were in the last live stream I did were, I think they're busy at the moment. But okay, here we are. I'm just going to, I'm just going to go check that the audio is working. So let's see. I'm just going to go. Yep, sounds good. Now, today, we're going to be trying out, well, we're going to do some Skrunkly coding, but first, I'm going to be trying out Gdevelop, which was recommended to me by somebody who, ooh, I know what I missed, I know what I'm forgetting. Go into here and just go pop out chat. Just stick that over there. And then I'll shrink this down. There we go. Okay. So we're going to be trying out Gdevelop today because someone recommended it to me and said I should give it a go. So I'm just going to create from scratch desktop full, and we're going to call this test game because why not? I would like to store it Gdevelop 5, sure. Not doing an A prompt. Let's go optimize for pixel art for now and hit create. Okay. So I've been told this is a lot like the program you're using at the moment. So, oh, we got Jack Jacobs in the chat. Okay, so the one difference is I already don't know how to add anything. Add new object. Should have seen that. Sprite, and that's create with Piscal. I remember this program. Used this in a while. I'm gonna go 10 by 10. Why not? Okay, and we're just gonna create something very basic. Also, welcome Jack. We're gonna create I don't know. It's gonna be this guy. That can be his name. This guy. And I'm just gonna. Oh, I think I remember that. If you do it fully black, it just doesn't give you a color. It's safe. Okay, that's interesting. Has Pisco. But yes, and apply. So I can drag him. Okay, I can drag him in now. He's very small. Let's make him bigger. All right. So we got this little guy here. Now okay, events. I'm just gonna give this guy some. Oh, okay, I see this. This is just we're gonna name him Bob, not Bob New Sprite, just Bob. Why? Okay, I'm getting all this. This makes sense to me. But now I'm gonna go into here and go add event. I'm good. Add a condition, Bob. Ooh, I'm looking. I'm seeing some things that make a lot of sense. Okay, we're gonna go back from that though, because I want to figure out how I give this guy behaviors. Here we go. Yeah, I wanted platformer character, and I'm just gonna go add new object, just sprite. Just go create Pisco. Do like save. Okay. Also, for Jack, if you're wondering, because he seems to be my one viewer at the moment, if anyone's wondering, what I'm doing right now is learning how to I'm learning how to pretty much create games in a different engine that I've never used before. Solid an option on here? Nope. I think it'd be platform would be what I need. And now let's give this a shot. Preview the game. Yeah, we'll allow access for now. Oh, he can move. Okay, he can move and he can jump. I've successfully made a game. I know, impressive, right? If I go gravity, go like 450. Max speed 450. I think that's roughly what I used for Skrunkly in Construct 3. Let's see. He's very slidey. That's fine. Okay. I think, is there... No. Okay. But that's cool. That's cool. I think the person I was talking to, though, he had a good point, because currently I'm using Construct 3 through my college account. But if I want to continue working on Skrunkly after college, I'm going to need to... Because I'm in, like, my final year and things, I'm going to need a platform that is open source and stuff like that. And this is what he recommended. So he said... He kind of recommended I might try porting, while it's in its early stages, porting over Skrunkly, remaking it in this, which I wanted to see how feasible that would be. But I'm looking at it. I reckon that would be decently feasible because of just, you know, this engine. Looks quite similar to, feels quite similar to this engine I made Skrunkly in. I'm checking that everything, because what I'm gonna probably have to do if I want to port it over is just get them side by side. But I can probably make a good port. If I go, yeah, tiled. No, that's tiled sprite. We don't want tiled sprite. We want tile map. Okay, so they have tile map, and we're just gonna skip that and create from scratch. Tile size. I think the tiles in Skrunkly are size 50. Okay, if I drag the tile map in, there's the tile map. Oh, we don't have an image for it. It's this. It's the file size really. Size. Yeah. Oh, 5,032. Right, if we go resize, and then I make this like bright red, we'll go with. Boom. Problem solved right there. Apply. Set up an atlas. Okay, edit object. Or atlas image. Choose a file. What files from my device? Let's just go with the thumbnail for this video. Why not? Apply. Yeah, that did not work. Oh, no, hold on. We're getting somewhere. Okay. So now I can... Now I can paint with sections of the... Okay, what if I want this? What? No, that's not the slider. I'm being a bit stupid right now. Ignore me. Oh, it thinks that's a tile. That's the problem. I think it thinks that's a tile. No? Oh, Oh, no, I get it. I get it. It thinks... I think it thinks this is just... Okay, I'm confused at the moment. Okay, we're gonna delete that. And then... Sorry if this is boring to watch, by the way, for anyone actually watching. But I am learning this because... Oh, you can do 3D stuff. That's fun. Not making 3D Skrunkly before anyone suggested it because... 1, wouldn't fit the art style. 2, not bothered. Asset store. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm alright for now. Skip and create from scratch. I want to learn how to create it from scratch. And I'm going to go 50 for the tile sizes. And we're just going to create... Let's scale this up to like 100. No, not 100. I'm going to go 450. Resize. And then I think if I go on here and just go bread. Sure. Save that all. It's a big image. But yeah. Oh, and I can configure which ones have hitboxes or not. I like that. I do actually like that a lot. And then behaviors. Oh, I think if I go into behaviors and add characters can run on, I think it needs to be... Let's see. So we're going to apply that. Drag that into the thing. And we're just going to go... Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Let's click off that. This is an interesting tool, though. I just need to find out how to change the viewport size, which would be around here somewhere, I'm sure. If I project manager, here we go. Properties, resolution. Scenes. Edit scene properties. Nope. Actually, no. We got this. I think my one complaint is at the moment I can't check if anyone's actually watching my stream, just because I think it would be nice to check. But yeah, no, that's just that. Edit scene variables. Nope. There has to be a way to change the viewport. Oh, hello, Aiden. Crazy Canadian Aiden. At the moment, if you're new to watching the stream here, I'm trying out a different game design program because once I'm finished doing my college course, I'm gonna need a program that's open source that isn't, because of course I'm using the student version of Construct 3. So I've been suggested by an online friend to try porting a Skrunkly over while it's still in early development to this game, to this game engine. At the moment, I'm just figuring out how to change the viewport size, so change the actual play area size. But not going to go. Click on instance on the canvas. All right. Okay. As well as I'm gonna want to know if I go edit object here. I think I can go. Where's the one that will make the camera follow it? Yeah, that should make the camera now follow this guy. Oh, yeah, I like that. You know, I'll bet you money this is what Potato Man Seeks the Truth was made in. I actually think, as much as I'm, kind of loyal to Construct at the moment, because I'm going to be resistant to switch programs, I do actually think I could get a decent bit done better with this program. I just need to figure out how to use it first, because it looks like there's a lot more options, especially behavior-wise. Here, there's a lot more things to do by the look of it. Oh, I like that. That seems interesting. Yeah, it looks like there's a lot more I can do with that, which is fun. As well as it looks like I can install extensions really easily, so extra bits. At the moment, though, I'm just trying to figure out. Oh no, we want that. What to have properties, groups. I don't care about groups. I just want to know how to edit the background. It would be lovely. Absolutely lovely. Where's scenes? How do I mess around with scenes as well? Oh, here's scenes. There's extensions. We don't want to delete that for now. But if I go and edit scene properties, I don't see anything with size. It's just variables, which is alright. I don't really care about that. Properties. I've checked properties, but I haven't seen anything about canvas size. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I like that. Acquire Steam. I might take that actually for Skrunkly. I like the idea of there being branding on a loading screen. I get to choose that. That's fun because that's something Construct 2 I don't think has unless you pay for like the better version. But I'll figure this out. Very sorry for people who are bored. It might get fun. Ooh, this multiplayer. Now you piqued my interest. Now you have piqued my interest with multiplayer. Might have to give that a little play around in future. I'm sure that's way more complicated than it looks. But project settings, resources, maybe? No. Hmm. You know what? I'll do what all smart people do. I remember seeing that there was a help page. We'll just go find that. I think it was... Nope. Let's see. I'm gonna give it a Google on my phone. I'm gonna give it a Google. Oh. Yay, my Steam game got refunded. Just got the ping for that. How to change viewport size in Gdevelop. See, I'm smart. Oh. Am I being stupid? Um. Hmm. How's everyone in the chat? If there are people still there, how's everyone doing at the moment? Got any interesting things to talk about? Nice, doing well, doing well. Shouldn't we all? Shouldn't we all be doing revision? I mean, to be fair, I've got nothing to revise, but um, I totally should get my 3D animation up sometime in one of the streams I'm doing for my college work. I think you'd be impressed. I can't lie about how cool it is. I could actually do that in a bit if I get bothered enough. But we'll see. We'll see. If you guys can convince me, I'll get it up. Um, doing any interesting revision topics, or just same old, just boring things. Think. Oh, group presentation. Nice. I haven't worked in a group in a while actually. It's been a while since I've worked with other people. It's starting to feel a bit sad. Nah, but I'm doing alright. Hmm. Hold on. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's neat. Okay, so I think what I'm being stupid about is I want to change the viewport size, but I think that shouldn't be an issue if I just shrink them down. But then I have an issue with the scaling, because if I want to use my tile map over here, drag that, actually I already have it open. And I want to use the 50, but another idea is always just to make this guy bigger. What if I make him really big? No, but now he's massive. Okay. Maybe we just don't use 50 by 50 for the tile set. If I go edit tile set and collisions, tile size, if we go 8, as I said last time, we give that a go. I could... Actually, to be fair, if I do 10, then I can just make everything a fifth smaller? Actually, what am I on about? What am I actually yapping about? That does not matter. Let's open up Construct. And let's have a cheeky look, because that will make my life easy. I just need to look at the scale of everything over here. If I look at the scale of these, what is this file size here? If I go... Okay. Yeah, tile width is 50 by 50 on there, though. That's the only issue. The textures are 50 by 50. But this is... If I do 50 by 50, it looks absolutely way too big. Well, let me get stream chat back up. Which could be, you know, an issue. But maybe there's a way to, like, make it smaller, but the same... No, that wouldn't make any sense. What am I yapping about? But hold on. If this viewport is a full thing, that shouldn't be a problem. Because it should be... Yeah, the width is 2,000 pixels. It shouldn't take up a whole thing. It's taking up a whole, like, viewport's worth. Or, hold on. Hold on, I think I've been... No, I think I see what I've done wrong here. I think I see where I've gone wrong. If I delete that and I just drop that in... No. Yep. Yep, I was just being stupid. Ignore me, everyone. I'm a silly Billy. We give that a preview now. He should be able to stand on this. Nope, apparently not. That was words taken right out of my mouth there. Just nope, never mind. Now he should be able to stand on that. And go through that. Can he walk to the side of this? No, he can't. Okay, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. With the sauce. Now, I'm gonna nick Skrunkly's model. We're just gonna take you. Actually, we're gonna take you stood up. Yeah, there you are. Steal your model. You're mine now. Okay, if we could do this properly. Thank you. There we go. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna go add a sprite. No, I'm gonna cancel. Edit with Pisco. Or however you say it. I can't remember the name. And we're just gonna how do I paste? Okay, I guess, can I say... yeah, I can save this, I think, onto my PC. We're gonna call this... Skrunkly image. Boom. Now if I go... add a sprite. Skrunkly image. The one downside is that it means I just can't... You know, I can't just make it as easy within... you can't make it as easy within the actual thing, which is a pain. So if I'm gonna shrink you down. I don't... What's your size in this game? Oh, I need stream chat back up. How's this going? What's the new game engine called? New game engine is called Gdevelop. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's on that screen. Gdevelop, and it's version 5 for the look of it. But it looks quite interesting. It looks quite interesting. He is 35 by 50. Sorry, I'm just 35 by 50. He's a small little guy. Okay, if I drag you on down here, Skrunkly, I drag this in. Okay, I can make a floor. And I think now, if I try this out, yeah, that's Skrunkly. It's definitely a bit of Skrunkly right there. Though I might want to zoom in the camera. So I think if I go... Oh, here's the main page of Gdevelop. That's how I get to the tutorial. Good to know. Oh, no. Good to know. If I think it's in here. Yeah, in here. I've got this. I'm getting somewhere. I'm getting somewhere. I dropped this resolution. What's, you people are smart. You know how you got, like, the 1920 by 1080? What's the one where it's, like, 1280 or something? By something. I'm trying to remember which one that is. Oh, shoot. Ah, thank you. 1280 by 720. Apply. No, that's a bit big, Aiden. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for making it smaller rather than bigger, because that should... Okay, no, I'm just being stupid. Ignore me. Ignore me. Being stupid's what I do best, though. You should... It's in the, my other YouTube title. 9... Not 2 by 1. 20 by... Oh no, 1920 by what? We're back here. We're back at the start. 1920 by... It's like 1 something. I'll just Google it. 1080. 1080. I got it. Also, for those wondering, because I know you asked a while ago, Aiden. But I actually learned. I thought I was on an RTX 3060, but no, I am on RTX 4060. I'm on a 40 series, which even I didn't know, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, I'm on a 40 series, if anyone was curious. 4060 RTX. Good for Pixar. Good for most. I want to try this one out. Because I'm looking at which one would look better. Oh, no, it's making him tweak. It's making him seriously tweak. He's got, like, the one eye, like... He's having a bit of a moment there. Let's stick that back to normal. Anyway. If I can... I'm gonna say, if I can code the enemy in... And that works fine. Then I'll probably start porting everything over today, because you might as well start now, rather than later. Let's import images. Actually, not yet. I'm gonna go get the images from Construct. Get you over here. Take your skin. I'm taking your skin. Right. Save. And where is enemy? You right there. Fly. Drag you in. Yeah, that's all. Scaling's all right. I don't think I've upscaled much things in this engine. Most things are just as I drag them in. Worst comes to worst, they look a bit odd. I can just scale it up. I think he's a bit small, actually. And then go here and make a little... Well, this is what the start of developing Skrunkly looked like, to be fair. This is all I had, pretty much. So I don't know why I've done I haven't done layers, but we'll get to that. Then I'll add edit object behaviors. Jack, I swear, if you continue to talk about knee surgery, I swear. This has been my entire day with this man speaking about knee surgery for some reason. Sorry, I just need... Don't think it's... Turns to throw like a boomerang. No. Okay, now there's Don't post knees in the chat. Bro, I'm so done. We'll go with this one. Sure, update the extension, whatever. Um, if I go uncondition this, we're learning. We're learning. On collision with this. Okay, this seems normal. This, and then where is the movement I added? Center. Okay, okay. We're gonna go. I'm trying to look for like a rotate. I don't know. Yeah, rotate. We're gonna rotate 180 degrees. Okay. And now, okay, play. Huh? What? Why is it doing that? Why are you doing that? What do you want from me? Oh, I think if I go add behavior, I think I need to make this obstacle for pathfinding, maybe? Nope, he's still just being weird. Does he have like gravity? Do I need to remove his gravity? Edit object. Maybe now. What is he doing? Okay. I'm gonna remove that. I'm just gonna say I just need him to move forwards. Linear movement. On speed X. Yeah, on speed X, I'm gonna go like 45? No, 104. 450. Oh. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, there he goes. No, I don't know. I want on collision with. What? Okay. Okay. So why are you doing that? You don't come back. You do not have enough gravity. Gravity, we're gonna pump that to like 750. Yeah, that's good. That's a. He's just vanished off. Another thing is I need to make sure that Skrunkly's movement is like the same as it always is. Because if it's off, I feel like that would be really weird. No, I need to figure out you. Why you no work? What if I okay, I'm gonna remove this for now, see what happens. You go that way. Add event. This guy. Collision with Gohan. Is that the wrong sprite? Collision with this. Okay. This. And then oh, I'll just add that again. I like how my chat so far has been random questions and then it's just emojis of knees. This has been fun. Some people's kids. Okay, okay. No, not angle. Okay, we're gonna go rotate. No, rotate at 180 degrees. Oh, in degrees per second. So it's not rotating fast enough. What if I do 360? That. Okay, that's weird. That slowed it down, I guess. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Set to 180. Why did that slow you down? What? I'm confused. I'm confused. I'll figure this out. I think. Oh my gosh. I'm yawning. Okay. We want when that bumps into that. This I want it to go the other way. Okay, you should have linear movement. So then if where's the it doesn't linear the top is there no. There's no linear movement thing. If there was like a area for that, I'm just not seeing it. Let me know. But okay, we're gonna try this one more time because I've changed some stuff. Nope, nothing changed. I don't think it's colliding with that. I think that's the issue. I don't actually think it's colliding with because it's already inside. If you get me? So I think if I move this down, I think it'll go the other way. Nope, nope. I think I'm just stupid. Why are you not colliding? Collide better. There is point inside object. On collision with. Okay. Let's see. Make sure this is done with the one that can collide. Make sure that's the case. Nope, I didn't want to drop that box. To make sure all of that has collisions. No, I can. I can walk into it. Just this little guy over here being a pain. Maybe I need to give him collisions. Maybe he needs collisions. You know? Give him that. And then remove his density or friction or any of that. Oh. He still just fell. Okay. Effects? No. Nope. 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 Variables? Nope. That's just a variable. We don't want that. Hmm. Ooh, hold on. I have an idea. What if I just set it to... What if I set it to nothing? What if I set it... What if I set it to nothing? Hear me out. Hear me out. Nope, never mind. I think I'm going insane. I'm just going insane. Ah. Sprite 2. And then he bumps into it, and apparently that isn't a collision. Yeah. Okay. I am sticking one of these right here. And on collision with that thing, you're going to turn around. You're going to add 180 degrees. And this is gonna work. Nope. You just don't like me. You just plain don't like me. Do ya? Do ya? Okay, you know what? How did I do it in Construct? Let's go look at how we did it here. Also, who's messaging me? Okay. Sorry, important message. Now let's see. How did I do the enemy stuff? How do you work? Oh, you're controlled as a bullet. Now I remember. You're a bullet that just bounces. Maybe I'm able to do that on here. Is there... bullet? Bounce. Maybe this will do it. No. Oh my gosh. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I do bullets, but fire bullets just makes it look more like I'm working a gun. Well, we're gonna remove linear movement. We're gonna go back to just movement. Movement. Ah, advanced projectile might be better. Let's see. Okay. Acceleration. The maximum speed. 450. Boom. Booyah. Go. We're getting somewhere. It stopped. We're getting somewhere. And it has bounce, so I'm gonna go acceleration like 20. Oh, acceleration 25. Max speed 45. Go. It just hits that surface. It looks like it bounces off. I'm thinking if we go back to this. Oh, hold on. Let's see. What? Hold on. Bounce off another object. Object to bounce on. This. Nope, not that one. That's what I was thinking with that, but give me another chance here. I was thinking trigger once condition should work, but I also think maybe this might. Okay, it's bouncing, but it's not bouncing like off of. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna touch that. Yeah, trigger once condition might also work. If I go, this. Also, hello, retro. Welcome back. Oh, where is it? I'm being stupid. Where is it? I'll find it. I know what I'm looking for. I just be stupid. Okay. Add 180 degrees, and then add condition. Trigger once while true. Okay, so it is like construct in that aspect, yeah. So let's see. Yay, okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Now we just make its acceleration incredibly fast. And we give it a decent speed. That should. Oh, yeah, right. It's only gonna trigger once, because it's technically colliding with that the whole time. But if... Okay. It's kind of working. It's kind of working. We're getting somewhere. Trigger. Alright, so trigger once while true. Should work. Oh, I'm being dumb. I set it to the wrong sprite. I set it to the wrong sprite. That's on me. I meant this one, and not invert. I meant this one. This should work now. Okay. It did trigger once. I'll give it that. I'm also going to delete this. It hits that and then stops. In all fairness, I'm not doing a proper port right now. I'm just seeing if this is easy. This is my practice one. I would name it properly if I was doing it properly, but this is just me having a little goof around. Let me try. This isn't gonna work, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Yeah, because it gets weird. Think. Come on, so what does that do again? It goes blink and then just kind of spazzes out. Okay. And then could be, yeah. Could be a hitbox issue. An object. I'm gonna remove bounce just in case. It's not really using it. No. Starting speed, we're gonna go with 450. It's already, no, 4,000. Yeah, okay, so that does that. Let me open up its hitbox real quick. I don't think, how do I open its hitbox? Edit collision masks. No, it's got a pretty decent hitbox, actually. If I... Let me think, let me cook. True once, what true? And then that'll bounce and then stop. I think it's because it's triggered, but it's not able to continue. It's lost momentum, maybe? Could be the issue. Minimum speed will also go 450, so it just can't stop. It's unable to stop. Yeah, okay. I think the issue was it was just running out of momentum. Okay, we're getting somewhere, though. We have a really very basic version of Skrunkly. This is Skrunkly, like, free edition right here. But, okay. I think I will probably start working on the port over now. I think yeah, hold on. I'm gonna... Give me a second. Stretching. Ugh. Okay, I think I'm gonna start porting over the game. So we're just gonna not save any of that, because that wasn't good. And then we're gonna go build. What was the button I hit again? Yeah, I don't care. Close all of that. I still have the project open. How do I just close the project? How do I close it? I don't want to do this anymore. How do I get rid of the project? Control W. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Right there. Okay, Scratch. We're going to call this one Skrunkly. And I'm going to go with that one. Advanced options. Optimized for pixel art. Definitely. And create project. Now I have the expert with us as well. A lot of this is going to be dragging over. Yeah, save it. Oh, do you want me to go set it to save locally? It'll probably be on here somewhere. You know, while I'm already here, I'm just gonna go close that. We're just gonna delete that. I hadn't done anything, so we're gonna save it locally instead. I wish it gave me the option to save it to my Google Drive, because that's where I normally save things, but whatever. Skrunkly. I'm gonna make sure not to spell it wrong. Create project. Oh, I created it wrong, and I'm upset now. I can go change it down. I think it's right. Hold on. I had this open on Google a second ago. Yeah, 1920 by 1080. That's where I'm getting confused. By now, I think we're ready to start our port. However, does anyone have any suggestions for like untick round pixels? Oh, that's probably smart. Where is that? Resolution. Yeah, I could see that being weird. Anyone have any suggestions for like music? Think I don't use. I want to just put this out there. Any recommendations? I don't use this account for anything but streaming. Any recommendations are not on me. But anyone got any music recommendations? Any royalty-free things? Okay, hold on. Let me just go royalty-free background music right here. Bangers. True bangers right here. Let's go with Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo, Catch a Tiger by the Always Let It Go. Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. Here we go. Whatever this is. I don't care. No, this sucks. Nah, you know what? Just no music. You guys don't get music. Where is... Yeah, we need that. We need the YouTuber dub. Oh, I know what we should stop on actually. Get some of the get some Minecraft music up in here. Just some royalty-free background Minecraft music, you know. This oh my gosh. The classics right here. Sure. Why not? Well, how about the 2015 Minecraft YouTuber music? So the first thing I'm gonna want to do. Oh my gosh, I'm just hearing it as a background. It's making me laugh. Heartbound. Okay. Heartbound soundtrack. Where's some stores? I don't. Why do I need royalty free? I'm not getting paid for these streams. I can use whatever I want. Sure, Heartbound. Just thinking that, like, theoretically, I could use whatever I wanted. Actually, I know what I'm using. Deep Rock Galactic soundtrack, personal favorite of mine. No fucking one. Okay. Back to Gdevelop. This is the intense moment where we have to figure out what the hell I'm doing again. Skrunkly assets. Oh, round one. We're just gonna make a quick folder for. We'll delete this afterwards. I just need this for porting things over. Add a new object. File map. Skip and create from scratch. Tile size 50. Actually. Oh, true. Yeah, Skrunkly OST would work pretty well. I'm trying to remember where that is. I think if I go documents, LMMS, and projects. No, I don't think I have it anymore. I'll just go take it out of the files. Should be able to do that. What did I call it? Yeah, download. Don't know how insane I'll go having this playing in the background the whole time, but we'll see. Scared to open my downloads folder. There's gonna be something stupid in here. Why did that not work? That did not download correctly. Yeah, we're gonna delete that and that. I think if I go through on oh, it's right down there. Construct really does not. Maybe construct is like not working at the moment. um, I think I've lost the OST. How have I lost the OST? We'll find this because I'm gonna want this for future stuff as well. Um, I don't know. Maybe I saved it somewhere else. Nah, not there. We'll just slap on this for now. Worst comes to worst, we'll just slap on some of that like royalty-free Nintendo music. That usually works. I think if I go into here and I just save all of this and I call it Atlas Ground, I think I should be able to just port that whole image in. Documents. Sets ground. That should work actually. Yeah. Yeah, okay. And then all of this counts as ground. Apply. Have another friend that's somewhat musically gifted. I would happen to have a friend that is musically gifted. I think. I also go to a college with a lot of music people, so though I can also make music, so maybe I'll make some background music sometime. Worst comes to worst, I'll just start sticking like some chill. I'll find like chill Nintendo music or something, so that's usually pretty good. Right, let's just make. Oh, I can't accidentally click on it. I kind of like that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I know what I've done wrong here. Ignore me. Ignore me. I know what I've done. Same mistake I made last time. Okay. Now it's just a case of perfectly one-to-one recreating all of this with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 across with this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then how much did this drop down? 3. Okay, we're gonna be here a while doing this, by the way, because I want to just get the map done first. My thoughts on Gdevelop. I actually gotta say, I'm quite enjoying Gdevelop. It's quite good. I'm glad you recommended this, because I do think I'll start using this. I'm sure it'll take some time to learn, and there'll be certain things I will miss with Construct, but I do quite like it. So should I fix this lava? Or do I just leave it? But yeah, Gdevelop's good. I do like Gdevelop. It's been interesting to learn so far, but it is quite similar to Construct. Actually, I could probably shrink that section anyway, but 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Boom. Look how smart I am. Yeah, it's very much like Construct. So it wasn't that hard to pick up quickly for me, because it was kind of just like using Construct. 4 with a 3 block gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's 3, isn't it? Yeah, it's 3. And then I think that's another 3 block gap. Yeah, another 3 block. This is going to be a lot of the next, like, few streams. Yeah, it's Construct with a UI update, as well as there's, like, a lot more plugins and things, which I like. Oh, 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. What a grid. Oh, yeah. Show grid. Oh, it is not matching the grid at all. Setup grid. 50 by 50. And then I might drag this all down to match the grid. Does it? Is there any way I can make this, like, snap to the grid? Oh, yeah. There you go. That snaps to the grid now. Nice. I'll put that up one, actually. Thank you. Yeah, chill Deep Rock Galactic music to sleep and relax to. That's gonna be our next few streams. Thank you very much for that tip. Actually, I do really appreciate that. I'm curious. Let's go check real quick how many people we have on the stream currently. Concurrent viewers 1. Me and you, man. Me and you. Nice. Okay, so that is. Ooh, I like this song. I'm a big Deep Rock Galactic player, if you couldn't tell. Yeah, I wonder who my one player is. Well, not player. My one viewer. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. Did I really go 14, 16? I swear, me sometimes. Okay. I hope you're enjoying this. This is going to be the next few streams. But after that, we can get on to making more fun stuff. I plan to add gnomes, I hope you know. Much as my girlfriend, I think, tried to talk me out of it, I want to add gnomes. So. And it's my game. That makes my girlfriend sound mean. But. No. I just randomly decided one day, I'm like, yeah. I want to. Oh, this is gonna be hell to do. Look at this. That's 1, 2, 3, and up 1 as well. Actually, I don't think this will be that bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 2. I tried that actually on Construct, and it did not look good, believe me. You'd think it would work, but it really didn't. It was really fiddly. Though it might work better with the grid system, to be fair. But it was really fiddly. The good thing is this kind of works like it anyway, because I can do like that when creating it. 1, 2, 3, 5. It's 5, and then 2 down. One of the difficulties coming up is that, is making sure the character controller feels exactly the same is going to be difficult. I hope it's not. I hope it's surprisingly easy for me, if you get what I mean. Hope I'm pleasantly surprised. Doubt I will be, though, but... 1, 2, 3... Yeah. Okay, I think creating the port so far is going well. Just gonna add some of the little... Yeah, I'll be better at Gdevelop than you are, and you'll end up asking me for help. How do I do this in Gdevelop? And I'll be over here and be like, yeah, this is how you do it. Sorry, I'm just gonna change that to have the lava underneath. Quite good so far though. And now we move on to the fun part. The tower. That's 5 there. I'm loving all the Deep Rock Galactic soundtracks. I think I'm just gonna have to make it to this. You know what my inspiration for this game originally was, and we can play it later. But it's a song from the movie Trolls. I'm not even kidding. It's a song from the movie Trolls that got lodged in my head for no reason. Like, I hadn't watched the movie in years, and all of a sudden, just this song got stuck in my head, and I'm like, why? But yeah, that's my inspiration for Skrunkly. If anyone's ever wondering why I made this, it was because a song from Trolls got stuck in my head. Yeah, like the Deep Rock Galactic soundtrack for Skrunkly. Hi, I'm making a little game about a robot guy. Can I borrow your entire high-quality soundtrack? Thank you. They're chill guys. They'd let me. I talked to one of them once. my friends say I have a special talent for just bumping into random people that I I bumped into the Deep Rock Galactic developers one time and like sat with them and they were super lovely. But I was just like bump into people like, oh yeah, I accidentally bumped into like the Queen or something, you know? Also, another thing while making Skrunkly was I put this platform here just to trick people. It's entirely just to annoy people because so many people jump here and then don't know where to go because you're supposed to do this. It's just there to confuse you. Because I figured this going like that was too easy. What time is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Yeah, we're gonna be here a while. Get comfy. Hopefully it's all worth it though when this game gets all nicely ported over. I think I've ever heard this soundtrack actually, this piece of it. Yeah. Oh no, my scaling. Just be over here. That looks right. What's my scaling now? Oh, I see. Oh, I need to move all this down one. Okay. That solves that problem. Now the ceiling should be at the right height. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. No. No, not game over. 2, 3. 2, 3. What have I done wrong with the scaling? Something with the scaling's off, I've noticed. Because the roof placement is off. That should be 4. And that's 5. No. That's if you make Tower of Top at all. Get back on the grind. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Get that right. And 1 and across. Oh, I see where I've gone wrong. But from here, it's 1, 2, 3, right. Now it's 1, 2, 3, right. 2? Okay, that's not right at all. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, right, 2. Yeah, I see what happened. There we go. That needs to be 3 under, so that needs to be... there? Yeah, that goes there. Boom! Problem solved. I'm also gonna go save this. Okay. Now, before I continue, because I'm bored of doing this. Who's Harry? Oh, did someone down the bottom is... Yeah, okay. I'm going to shut on Steam in the background. I don't need it right now. What is it in my background? Why is Autodesk open? Whatever. Right, I'm gonna now work on... Yeah, I always save manually anyway. I'm gonna make a new object. Oh! I'm gonna add... Okay, this is the moment of truth. We're adding him. I'm literally him. What? I just wish I could download all the frames. Can I download both the frames of animation? Can I go... Skrunkly? Can I just go... Idle? No, not IDK. Oh, whatever, it works. Idle. And now if I go in there, is there... idle or 2 idols? No, just the one. So idle 0. It's gonna be a lot. We're gonna have to go back. Actually, to be fair, it's gonna be like 6 more frames. It is the man, the myth, the legend himself. Lock. Rock 1. Why does it sounds more like some kind of Half-Life than Deep Rock Galactic? Three, 4. And the last one is jump. Oh, I love this soundtrack. I have this one on my phone. Jump 1. I saved that in the wrong place. Whatever, we're just gonna commit jump 2. Gdevelop. We're gonna call this sprite. Import images. Go with his idols. Animation. Oh no, hold on. Okay, that is an animation. Loop. Oh, that's not right. No, I'm not going back to construct. I'm just saving all the stuff from it. Edit collision masks. Yeah, he's right. And then edit collision masks. Yeah, that's correct. So what? Why is it doing this then? Oh, it's just the camera adjusting. It's working. It's just the camera adjusting. I think this is what I had on. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to check. Oh, hold on. I'm just more checking if the actual character is working. Oh, yeah, he's got no physics. I'm like, why is he just floating? He's got no physics. Let's give him I don't know. Platform character. It's gonna be. Oh, this is not solid, is it? Add objects, behaviors. Steam release when? I'm not sure. Probably just whenever I'm done. No, I do plan stream release. Steam release, I mean. Okay, I wanted to go up and down. He's not going up and down. He's just going... I don't know. If I swap those around, though, I think that might fix that problem. No. I just made a new problem. Edit with Pisco. What? Why is his forehead bigger in this one? Right, we're just gonna delete that, duplicate that, and then do what I did last time. Move the whole of him, move that section, move the new section. Shift to move content. Yeah, I think the issue is he just wasn't going up and down like I wanted him to. I'll check the... I think it should be good now. It's just that's got the right ones. I click on this one here. No, let me edit him. I want it. Okay. Oh, I see. Frame. Yeah, we're gonna move that down. Do this actually. That'll work nicely for him. And then if we have his hitbox like that, I think that'll be alright. Let's just go remove. Actually, that one needs to be 0.5. Yeah, I think that'll be a good hitbox. Be back. Okay. See you in about 15. I think if I preview that now, he should. Yeah. Okay. Um. Okay. Okay. We're gonna get some goofy Mario tunes. Nintendo. Let's just go playlist for silly people. Those ones are usually pretty good. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Ignition. This guy. Is on floor. Ignition. Is moving. Skrunkly. Where's animation? I need to learn all the pictures again. Animation. By name. Set to walk. Okay. Else. Okay. Skrunkly is moving in. Yo. Oh. Is? Hmm. Give me a sec. Yeah, I noticed the physics engine's nice. I'm curious. Oh, there's a lighting engine in this. It's officially better than Construct. You not believe how much I like. You might, even if you tell me it's a simple one, believe me, it's better than Construct that literally just doesn't have one. It has no form of light. Um. Also, another thing I like is the smooth camera is quite fun. Trying to make the controls feel the most like Skrunkly as possible. But I'll probably just have people playtest for that. Make him a little... No, 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 no. Oh, okay. We're gonna disable the grid for a minute. Smooth camera is so much nicer, because in Skrunkly it was, like... You've got this, but if I go back to original Skrunkly and I play this, it is not a smooth camera whatsoever. It's very much a solidly locked in. I like smooth camera. Smooth camera fun. Let me go... I want to edit a bit, though. I don't want it to, like, lag behind too much, you know? But, I want it to still be... Like, yeah, I think this is nice. So it doesn't lag behind at all. But it's smooth still. I've got a very basic amount of the, basic amount of the character design done. Actually, a good way to test if the physics are the same is if I go here and I jump up. And I go... Yeah, it's not the same. Jump power isn't as good. There's a weird jump thing I used to be able to do. I'm thinking if I can get that to work. Hold on, if this is going to open the same size every time, I'm going to just shrink it down. But if the jump works, then I know that it's somewhat right. Oh, if I didn't fumble. Look, if I can still do that, then it should be good. I'm still going to go back and do a couple more tests. Which is, one of them's this. If I can do the... Yeah, this feels right. I think because of the soft camera, it feels odd. So what I might do real quick is literally just make the camera, like... I'll set it back, obviously, but just make it like it used to be and see if it feels... Somewhat, it feels somewhat easier. I know that sounds weird, but it does. I also like the fact you can just hold down the space bar. Why is the music so funny with him falling? He's just a happy little boy now. Look at him go. He doesn't even have to worry about lava. He can just walk all over that. Alright, I'm gonna close that down. But yeah, smooth camera is nice. I'm gonna go add that back now. Also, the new addition to the stream, as you've probably heard, is I've got new music. I just stuck on what's it called? A silly playlist for silly people. I used to listen to this whenever I get bored playing Gary's Mod with friends. So I figured, screw it, I'll just throw it on now. And it's worked quite well. There we go, smooth camera. You know what? I want it slightly less smooth. Yeah, there you go. So you're always pretty much in the center. And then... Oh, actually... What do I... Is this... That group. I'm gonna call this not Skrunkly, Skrunkly. Alright, so next thing I want, no, under that. Next thing I want to do is jumping. I need to go make that animation actually. Currently being messaged on Snapchat. New animation. These two. Edit with Pisco. Yep, that should be good. Preview. I can just go off. Perfect. So that was an animation I know loads of people really loved. They thought his jumping was really funny. So I'm going to go sort that. Set to. Yep. And then. Okay, we've got Skrunkly's actual like thing down now. He can Skrunkly. I want to make his. I think one of the things that makes him feel weird at the moment is his deceleration is too high. Because I remember one of the big complaints, people said he felt very slidey when he hit a floor. So as long as I can keep that. I know that was a complaint, but it was kind of a feature for me personally. Because it meant you'd fall off more. I know it sounds weird, but it should go well now. Let me test this. I think this should be a good number for it. Oh no, yeah, that feels like Skrunkly's controls. I think he needs to be slightly slower, but not by much. I'd say like, let me try 400. Let's see if that's too slow. Yeah, it's slightly too slow. Maybe 425. But I'm just making sure that the character moves good. This feels pretty alright. See if I can make that jump. Yeah. I think 450 is correct. Okay, and then all we need is another one. Oh, yeah, let me check Discord. Okay. Gdevelop? Maybe with Gdevelop? Oh yeah, I like the lighting effects. Hey, shoot! Yeah, you got the lights. Oh, I like the fact the lights do that. This might actually allow me to make a game I wanted to make a while ago if the lighting effects work like that. Oh, even the balls have the lighting. That's sick. Oh, and I can shoot those. Oh my gosh. Tense. Am I doing it? Did I win? Oh, there's more levels. Okay, yeah, I'll probably play more of that in a bit. That... Oh, sorry, just checking. Yeah, oh, yeah. Well, I actually am good because I'm you, but better, remember. Don't forget that now. I'm gonna put that here. We have... No, set flipped. Ooh, ladder. Ooh. Um... Is there a way to make him, like, flipped? So if he moves left, he's facing left. Oh, it's right there. I'm just blind. Yeah, don't worry, I found it. See, this might be backwards, but yeah. Then we're just gonna... Okay, so this should now work fully as a... Yeah, we now officially have Skrunkly in the game. Nice. I can go back to building the level. Building the set design. Actually, real quick, I'm gonna want to... Sounds weird. Put that down. And go... Oh, no, hold on, I'm doing that wrong. Okay. Frankly, what was it called? Okay. Okay, I need to... I don't know. I wanted to fix that, but I just never got around to it. But yeah, the mobile one is tiny. I have no idea. Yeah, no clue actually. Input. No. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Keyboard. Key pressed. W. Skrunkly. Simulate control. Oh, yeah, no, I did notice that they have, like, a YouTube channel with all the kind of information I need on it. One of my favorite things is that, you can just click on, you don't have to open it up, you can just click on it and change it, which is a huge win for me, because I always found it annoying having to reopen everything just to edit a tiny thing. So now, theoretically, he should be able to be played with WASD. Yeah, he can be played with WASD. I'm also going to change... I think that should mean I can... Yeah, so he can be played in multiple different ways. I like that. Yippee! Okay, back to map building anyway. Back to the boring things. But what needs to be done? Yeah, I know. Celebrate the small achievements. Now we just gotta do all of this. Easier than it looks, to be fair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Sort of pointless space in this map, but I'm not gonna change it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. People like it, but there is a lot of pointless space on this map. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. Maybe it goes like that. No. It goes like that. True. But again, shortcuts implies that I want it to have easy ways around things. I don't know if I want that or not yet. Do I feel like, you know, being nice is what we'll have to see. I think the funniest thing is my girlfriend originally made this head bump section, and it was so difficult, I had to go back and make it easier. And that's coming from the guy who hates going back and making bits of this game easier. And even I was like, that needs to be changed. That's too hard. Too difficult. Her idea was genuinely... It was doable, but it was so hard to pull off that I genuinely just went, nah, and changed it. I raised it up a block, because it used to be like this. And it was so hard, so I had to go change it. Yeah. And then... Yeah, she genuinely was making some Dark Souls stuff. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that's... Got it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, how far down is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's like watching someone go insane. That's all this game design streams are gonna be. Just watching me go insane. Laugh at my misfortune of having to do work. Ew. But it's what my country needs. According to a lot of people I know. Yeah, you're pretty much, yeah, you're watching me paint the wall. It's like watching paint dry. Just with audio. Yeah, it's watching paint dry, but with a goofy guy yap in the background. It's like the equivalent of watching paint dry, like, reaction video. That's all this is. It's watching paint dry reaction video right here. Like to make these connect up for people who see it, because I know people like that kind of stuff. And, oh yeah, so... 1, 2, 3. Let's do that. Paint bubble. What? What'd I do? Just like... Oh, shoot. I don't know what paint bubbling is. I don't paint good bubble like that. Oh no, I get what you mean. Sorry, my brain's not awake. It's been a long day. I had a whole day at college before this. I'm not mentally up to par at the moment. Yeah. I was new to game design. That's what possessed me to do everything 50 by 50. And I figured I didn't feel like remaking every single sprite, so I just stuck with it. But we've all made mistakes. Ask my parents. They know all about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I didn't know what I was doing when I first made this game. This was one of the first ever games I made on my own, actually. So if it sucks at times, just know it was the first ever game I made with no supervision. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yo, later we should play a Roblox game I made. That's I should do that on stream sometime. Play the Roblox game I made. It's called Spooky Woods, and it was for my friend's little competition. Yeah, I've made some pretty good games with supervision. You can find them on my itch.io, actually. If I go on... What was that? Oh, no, okay. If I go into my itch.io, I think one of the... Whoa! I just saw a really suspicious-looking ad. I keep getting those, all the time. This one and that one are actually really good games. Just no one ever talks about those ones. Everyone's ever plays Skrunkly, no one ever plays Dunkirk or Airsoft Mania, but these were the two very good games I made with my teacher giving me pointers. I definitely recommend the Airsoft one if you like Airsoft, but the Dunkirk one's really good as well. That's one I made for my final exam. Those are my two big games. How are we looking? We're almost done redesigning this map, actually. We're not far off it. Pretty much, yeah. I got a distinction, which is like an A, though I think you probably know that. So I pretty much got an A for that, yeah. It was a really good game. I'm actually quite proud of the game. It's one of my proudest games. Like, no one ever plays it or talks about it. Yet they talk about the random piece of junk I made when I was bored so much. To the point I'm remaking the whole thing right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, what's happening? I'm gonna give someone a seizure doing that. Flashing lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 block jump. Oh, yeah. I mean, there's no browser version of either, but... To be fair, I never made a browser version originally because whenever I'd play browser versions of games, I'd get, like, serious lag if I played any browser game on itch.io. That was one of the issues I found. Yeah, at the moment it kind of is my magnum opus, but obviously I expect I go on to do bigger, better things. But you never know, it could be the best game I ever make. You never know. You are right there. Okay. What next? How many across is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's 20 blocks across. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You know what? You know what it is for you, actually? It's not watching paint dry. It's watching a dude count. It's just watching a random ass dude count a bunch. To music. I hope you're enjoying Counting Simulator 2020. 2024, sorry. My bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 across, 1 up. I think if I... Yeah, it's the updated version. So I was just looking because the other day I changed that section a little bit while talking to some friends. I don't remember which friend gave me the advice. Oh no, it was Medina yesterday, my girlfriend. She helped me out with that. Is lower? No, I'm just being an idiot. Maybe I've already gone insane. I think my parents would agree with you. Well, a lot of people I know actually would agree with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just... This bit isn't important. This is just a random hole I included because I felt like it. Boom. Shakalaka. Shaka. Boom. And just to make it look nice, I like to connect everything up. And this is the roof. It doesn't really matter, so I'm just gonna do it however I feel. Okay. We actually have the full Skrunkly map now. I'm just gonna go improve it a little bit. By giving it an outside. I only do this for, like, graphical reasons. I know there's unsafe things. I'll go save them. Like, there's no actual reason for me to do this, but it looks nicer. No, Schmesco's is a good corporation. It gives you the meal deal. Don't worry. I wouldn't tarnish Schmesco like that. Because it's just based off Tesco, really. That's all it is. But my friends have, like, a joke about, like, loving Tesco. Don't know why, it's just always been a joke with my friends. About how much we love Tesco. And especially how much we love the meal deals there. That's what stemmed the whole idea for this game, was the Tesco meal deal, just because I was bored. I thought it'd be funny. And then what inspired me to work on it a little more and actually finish the original one, Everyone Knew, was that Trolls song. Oh, yeah, it always thinks it's a virus at first. It's because Construct 3 does that. Hopefully, though, when this is done, it won't have that problem, which will be nice. So people will no longer think I'm installing a virus on their computer. That would be lovely. People are like, "Are you sure this isn't a virus?" I'm like, "I'm sure this isn't a virus. I made it." But then they just look at me even worse because they're like, "Oh, he made it. It's 100% a virus." I always forget this camera will actually show you back here now. I gotta go board and all out. I think I'll just give it a nice little outer wrapping here. Alright, let's see this. Oh wow, it has a much further reach than I expected, this camera. We'll just... Yeah, that should be good. Looks really weird seeing it without the background. I forgot a bit. Yeah, don't listen to Skrunkly.exe saying, "Oh, yeah, it's gonna fill your computer with viruses." I promise you it won't. I mean, if it does, I mean, you roughly know who did it. And I'm sure it can't be hard to find, like, my name and things. Who's excited for Christmas? You excited for Christmas, Retro? Ooh, yawning. I'm actually really tired. Where's layers? I want to go work on layers real quick. Add a layer. Layer. Hey, you gotta get in the Christmas spirit. It's coming up. I mean, sure, I haven't given it any thought either, no. But you never know. It is coming up after all. I don't like Christmas music. I like Christmas music. It depends on the song, actually. Some Christmas music is really annoying, but other Christmas music is pretty alright. Are you putting the... I could put those as well. You reckon I can get kicked for spam for my own... for my own spam. My own chat. Wild Sprite. File. What is the file size on this? 50. Okay. Okay, this one is definitely going down on base layer. Oh, I just realized something actually. Which might be... Oh, what the hell? What is... What is happening? What? He's trapped in eternal damnation. Oh, it thinks the background is a platform. Let me go see if it's got any collisions and things. It shouldn't have collisions. It doesn't look like it has collisions or anything. I'll remove it anyway. Just... see if that works. No, he's using... maybe if I move him back onto... ground layer? Oh, I think it needs to be on ground layer. Yeah, we'll just remove player layer then. Whatever. That's fine. Doesn't really affect me. I have to remove a layer. Get that and drop that down to this layer. Now. Oh, that's weird. It's not. Yeah, it doesn't move with the layer. That's really weird. Okay, I guess that's also going on ground layer, but just being sent to the back. Okay. No, she might. I don't know if I changed its Z. Oh, nothing. 2D, what am I thinking? Okay, well, we pretty much got Skrunkly back, which is cool. He's now playable again. I mean, there's a few issues, but I could tell someone that nothing had changed, and they'd probably believe me. The controls feel the same, which is nice, which is what I wanted them to. I don't think you can speedrun this anymore. Hold on. Yeah, you can't speedrun this anymore. You gotta be more careful with your jumps. But they feel easier for some reason. Oh, I think I know why. Did I not? Please tell me I did this right. Please tell me I did this right. I didn't do it right. So these are supposed to be 3 block jumps? Okay, I've got a plan to not screw everything up. If I remove all of this, because this isn't really needed, and I redo this. Oh god. I actually really like Airsoft Mania. It was one of the favorites of the ones I made. One of my friends loved that game, though. He loves Airsoft. Like, he plays Airsoft all the time. Airsoft Mania was just made because we had to make a game about sports. And I'm not really a sporty person. So I thought, oh, I'll just make my game about the one sport I do play. Airsoft. And that's how Airsoft Mania came about. Pretty alright game. I was quite happy with it. I know I presented it at a showcase at my college, though it was never like a big thing. It's definitely never a game that kicked off with my friends either. It was just kind of a bit of fun. Okay. I think I fixed the problem without fixing the problem. So the jumps are the same, but now it's just there's not as big of a platform there. So let's go see. The perk of developing Skrunkly has been I have to beat it constantly. So I'm really good at the game. What can I swear I just climbed, which was really weird. Okay, whatever. Yeah, you can still speedrun this now. Oh, I've fallen into... Okay, I'm gonna go add... yeah, oh my gosh. Skrunkly's such a big thing in my class nowadays. They love Skrunkly. People have genuinely made, Skrunkly plushies and things. I own one because someone made a bunch of them for the class. Like, my friend group loves Skrunkly. We sold some Skrunkly plushies. We actually sold all of them in like 15 minutes with my friends. It was really fun. They love that goofy little guy. But no complaints whatsoever from me. Come on. Enemy. I'm just gonna... Yeah, Skrunkly became a big thing in our friend group for some reason. He's just really popular with all the cool kids. Also, I've had people come up to me in college and be like, "Oh, you're that guy who made Skrunkly." I'm like, "You've played Skrunkly?" Like, I don't know who you are. And that's a really weird feeling when someone walks up to you and goes like, "You made this game?" I'm like, "Who are you?" Like, yeah, I did. Who are you? But still a great feeling. Because it means that people enjoy my content. Yeah, like a what? A who? I don't know what that is. That would be funny. I wonder, hold on, I want to check this. How long? Where's the statistics? Where's the statistics? How long have I been streaming for? 2 hours, okay. It's a pretty good stream. I probably won't stream for that much longer, probably like half an hour. Depends if I get sucked into what I'm doing though, because I am surprisingly good at that. Yeah, I think that's a decent size. Make it a bit smaller. But we'll see. Behaviors. I think, what did we do for this guy? We did, like, bullets. No, that was it. We did... I may have a scroll through real quick. It wasn't linear movement, I don't think. Where'd I go? Movement. I'm not seeing enough movement. You know, the low taper... the low taper fade meme's still really big. Advanced projectile, that was it. And then it was... minimum speed. I'll go with 350 for this. 350. 350. Then we go... oh, we're gonna go make a new group. But why are you in there? Get out of there. But enemy. And then it's collision with the tile map. And then it was rotate plus 100 degrees. No, angle add 180. My favorite genre, probably sandbox games, I'd say, which is a bit ironic because I don't make any sandbox games. But if we're talking not sandbox games, well, I'm trying to think. Usually, oddly enough, 3D games. Despite me loving making 2D games, I love playing 3D games. So, it's a lot of creative games, like, you know, like open world survival games. I'd probably say are my favorite ones, though I'm not very good at them. I play a few shooters. I'd say mainly it's co-op games, like funny co-op games like Lethal Company, and stuff like that. So I'd say mainly the like 4-player just funny co-op games. Yeah, it needs to be 3D. Oh my, the amount of people who told me, oh yeah, you should try making Skrunkly 3D. And I just gave them this look like, nah, not happening. I'm way too stupid for that. For a second there, I'm like, oh, died. I'm like, hold on. No, no, no. Bring it back. Okay. Where did he go? Yeah, with 4-player co-op. I'll expect it by tomorrow. Okay. Oh, I know what the problem is. The problem is these layers don't work. You know what? I'm selecting literally everything. I'm just gonna get all of these. Oh. Get this first of all and just put that back on the base layer. Put you on the base layer. Put you on the base layer. And put you on the base layer. And then just go and remove these other layers. Because they obviously don't work. Yeah, we'll get to the blue dude in a minute. I'm just gonna make the basics and then we'll add him. Where did... Bruh. You know what? Good. Just for the sake of testing. Okay, you want to be a pain again. Yippee. 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 Those all have hitboxes. I know you should have a hitbox. That's all I need it to be. But why won't you... You're on the same layer. You should bump into that. You don't. Because you're a pain in the ass. Hmm. What if I choose the object to be this? And then what if I stick you there? Doesn't do anything. Okay. Yeah. It doesn't like me. Yeah, it's like a Undying the Undying over here. Like, it doesn't work. It just refuses to work. It's like, no, I refuse. I should, but I refuse. Maybe he needs that. What was it? What was the other one again? Way too stupid. That's my problem. Acceleration. 350. The other thing I had was bounce, I think it was. See if that adds anything. Oh, here we go. Now you're working. Problem solved. And now let's see. Yo, saw nothing. Okay, yeah, this just feels like Skrunkly. This is just really starting just to feel like Skrunkly again, which I'm excited about. Which it means I'm getting close to being able to continue to do more fun stuff. I know, thank you. I'm so amazing. My mom calls me special because I'm that cool. Why am I doing that? I can just drag it in here. Oh no, hold on. I want the size though. 1142. It's 42 by 42, so I might just go in here and go. Resize from metal. Oh. It is not game over. Not yet. Let's see if this looks really bad or not. Oh no, you barely notice it. But if I drag that in, it should be, yeah, same size now. Oh, actually, is this just because it's older? No, no. Are you leaving now? Is that why you put game over? Now, I need to see, because this is a very specific placement over here. I know it sounds weird, but it's very specific. So, one goes there. One goes here. One goes here. And one goes here. Because I know if I get that wrong, I'm gonna get killed by one of my classmates who try hard way too hard on this game. I remember the fix for that though. Don't worry, I remember how to fix that issue we just witnessed. Actually, didn't see anything, so. Folders in here. Oh yeah, I'll go put some of those in. I meant to. I figured it did. I just forgot. I'll go do that in a minute. I'm just gonna make sure this is working, and then I'll go organize a bit. Okay, I just called that forwarded. Okay, you're working just fine. You have no problems. So just making sure everything is working because it blipped there. Now I need to make sure this is all working as it used to. Like, is this bit possible? Okay, I mean, it's just as hard, but it's not the same. So I don't know. Why? Yeah, it's really starting to just look like Skrunkly. It looks like I've changed nothing. Why put him here, maybe? You know, to make this easier. Grabbing you. True, he does look a little small. Oh, that's perfect. That's just how it used to be. I don't know. I don't think the balls looks that much smaller. Let me check. No, I think they're about the right size. It's just... If you look at that, and then look at that, it's not that... How many pixels is this, actually? Let's check. Size... Oh, no, yeah, it's, these are just 2 pixels bigger, actually. I'll just go change that. They're 2 pixels different. Should I bother changing it or nah? Because I don't see much of a difference. I don't feel much of a difference. If I felt the difference, I'd change it. But I don't feel a big difference. But I'm just happy it works, to be honest. Now, to make everyone pleased and happy, and really just bring order and balance to the force, we're bringing in Blue Guy. I know! Blue Guy's coming in. If I figure out a way to get, like, custom stream emojis, I'm just adding Blue Guy as an emoji. Where is he? Blue Guy! Get over here. You little guy. You little goofy fella. What do we name Blue Guy? Give me a name for Blue Guy. Because he isn't named. His name's just NPC1. But I'm getting a chance to name him. Right? I'll give that a check out in a minute. But first we gotta name Blue Guy. Or is his name just Blue Guy? I guess I'll just name him Blue Guy. Also, where is it? The sun in the corner. Ah, I see it. What should I do with it? What do you recommend? Because I'm a silly guy. Intensity? Maybe like, I don't know. Lower that? Okay. Oh, okay, I got it. Yeah. Oh, this gives, I think I slightly messed with the post-processing and it gives a much more Skrunkly vibe. So I think I made it slightly darker. Removing the 3D effect and then, oh, add 2D effect. Oh yeah, this is 3D. Yeah, we don't want 3D. Delete. Okay. We just give it a look quick. Padding. Change the type to type. Oh, okay. Bloom. Why am I looking down there? Advanced bloom. Bloom scale. Let's put it at, oh my gosh. Let's see. What's the bloom like now? Oh my gosh. What does this look like? No, it looks a little silly. I need... I see the problem. If I up the brightness, keep the bloom maybe. Oh my god! Ow! My eyes! Oh god! Ah! Just being blinded. Yeah, it looks... Oh, okay, yeah. Hold on. Oh, yeah, that's actually smart having the lava glowing. I'm gonna put the brightness at just 1. And... yeah, the lava looks quite nice. Might turn down the bloom a little. It's a little bright. Actually, if I turn on the blur, maybe? Yeah, I want to turn down the bloom a little bit. So I don't want Skrunkly glowing. But it does make the lava a bit awkward. I'm not sure. Let me turn the bloom off and see if I prefer it without the bloom. I think like a tiny bit of bloom would look nice. Let me see. Yeah, I think a tiny bit, and then it kind of makes the lava stand out just that little bit. But it doesn't make Skrunkly look weird. I'm just gonna play through this and see if it feels like Skrunkly. It does feel a lot like Skrunkly, like an improved version. Though it's really funny because when he hits walls, he no longer just stops in his tracks. He actually like bounces off walls. Something about that is really funny to me. Oh my gosh. Like if he catches them, oh, I can. Can I just jump off a wall? How am I doing that? Oh, I can wall jump. That's why. Why can I wall jump? How do I turn off wall jumping? Um... Hmm. Show more. How do I turn off? I don't know if you got put on. Turn that off. Yeah, okay. Let's see. I can still wall jump. It just means I don't automatically. Hmm. That's weird. Jump. That is weird. Yeah, but I don't want him to wall jump, so I think maybe do this. No, he can still wall jump. Really weird. Like, I'd be chill with it, but I don't want him to wall jump. Hmm. I'll Google it. 1 second. We'll click on streaming object. Behaviors. Jump. Okay. Advanced properties. No. There's ladder climbing, but I don't think that's the same thing. Get over here.
To allow your character to grab onto ledges. You can click here to turn on and off the default controls, which are the arrow keys and spacebar to jump. Next, you've got the grab offset, which will help determine the position when the character grabs. Then you've got gravity, jump speed, ladder climbing speed, and then falling speed. And then finally, you have the maximum speed your character will go at, the maximum slope angle they'll go at, and then jump sustain time, which determines how noticeable your variable jump height is. Tiniest tile set in the entire. And different kinds of platforms, which are platforms to go through it. Finally, the other two ground objects. And then I'll create two sprites through platform. We're going to create a option. Open up that can walk around. And we'll add a second image to the run animation task to make it make more sense with the character shape. And call it character animation. Showing a bunch of options. And then in a new event, we'll add. So if those things aren't happening, then so those are the basics. But once you get the hang of the platform
How to hold on. Let's check screen chat real quick. How to disable wall jump. Gdevelop. I'm just gonna explain how to do it, so maybe I can just do it in reverse. Yeah, so you make an object, and you give it the animation, which No idea. No idea indeed. I guess, uh... oh, interesting. Pretty weird, though. I didn't... You shouldn't be able to, wall jump. Maybe if I go... I get all of this. Oh my gosh, that made me jump. Don't know if you heard that, but that made me jump. If I just remove all of that... Can I... No, I can no longer perform it. It's something to do with that code. Something to do with this. So... Only if I'm touching a wall, it allows me to double jump for some reason. So weird. Oh, hold on, let me get my music back up. Okay. Let's delete all my code again. Oh, think. I go. Okay, it's an issue with the hitbox, I think, when it comes to rotating around the animations. I can get off as many jumps as I want. That's weird. But the collisions are all the same. Actually, no, I don't think they are. Hold on. No, it's the same size. This one's just collisions are off, I think. We fixed that. Let's do this. And hopefully that should work. Let's see. Let's give it a shot. Nope, I can still double jump. Really weird. If I go... Make sure all the collisions are normal. Should change it for, yeah, every one of them. How can you do that? Something about when the model flips. If I go... See, if I add that to... Maybe that should fix it? No. No, that wouldn't fix it. Maybe I just need to, go on here and make it wide. Like, wider than it actually is. But then that might just get weird. Okay, you know what? We're gonna give it a shot. Okay, now I can't. Though his hitboxes are kinda off. Not any more off than they were in the original game, it just means you can't double jump now. I know it sounds weird, but this could actually be good, because it might give you a bit of, what do they call it, like monkey time or something. Which the last game never had. So hey, I'll take it as you said, bug not a feature, but now you can't double jump anymore, which is where I wanted it to be at. Oh, that was weird. Come on. Force is made of the ground, isn't it? I do that wherever I want. Okay, no, it's only facing left, that works. Even weirder, it's only if I'm moving left can I shrink myself into the ground. See if I can do it over here. I can. I'll do it here. Okay, that's a new weird one. Coyote time, that's what I meant. Not sure why he's a pentagon. Maybe it would make more sense if I just made him a box. I'm just gonna give you a box collider, mister. Sure, it's not exact, but it'll help when it comes to issues. Let's see here. Is this any better? I can double jump again now. I think I know what causes the double jump though. I think it's an issue with if I drop that. I think it's if I go to the jump. Makes hitbox a triangle. Okay, what, like that, or just like this? 1 or 2? 1, 2. Saying make it like that. Okay. Oh yeah, if I make him slightly slide down, I have. Oh, you know, I'm gonna make this fit this a little better. Oh, delete that. Delete that point. Okay. No. Go away. He does not like me today. I have no idea what I've done. No. Okay. Let's try this one more time. You make him like that. And we close. And we apply. 23 here. And he doesn't jump off walls. So that's a perk. He gets nice up and close to him, and he doesn't appear to sink into anything. Except if you're going right, apparently, now. Bruh. If I... Aw. It's like the floor turns into quicksand. That's a weird bug. Yeah, I'm thinking. If there was a way I could make this some... Oh, I probably could. I'm just dumb. If I go... Oh, that's probably why. It's that 5 that probably makes the difference. How weird, not 0.5. It's not a full pixel. So it could be weird. I don't get it with that side. I don't seem to be getting it with this side either. Anymore. We'll also do a little... Okay. Safe. We've done it. Yippee. Let's get some... What's the opposite of game over? Let's get some, Let's get some blue guy. Let's get some blue guy in the chat right here. Blue guy in the chat. Blue guy. If I learn how to set custom emojis, if I can do that without having to, like, have anything fancy, I so will. I so will. Because I want blue guy emoji in the chat. Okay. Anyway, aside from that really long detour, blue guy. I didn't forget him. We're gonna go add blue guy now. Get in here. You amazing little guy. Let's see him go. Ooh, he's got some dance moves. We're gonna have to slow that down. Boom. Good. We're gonna drag blue guy in. He's a bit big. Break down blue guy. Yeah, I'm permanently moving to Gdevelop. Thank you for this good call, by the way. We officially have blue guy and we can vibe with him. Also, my girlfriend gave me a really funny idea, which is, past a certain amount of deaths, when you walk past blue guy, instead of him saying his normal spiel, he's gonna start being like, do you want to take like a break or something? And past like every few up until 1,000 deaths, where he'll probably just say you need to go outside and take a break. Like he'll be like, do you want to like take a break, or is a meal deal really worth it? All this stuff as you walk past him every time you die. Oh, that's cool. I'll have to think about that. Subscription service. Yo, one of the things I do want to add to Skrunkly, once I'm done making all the levels and things, is I want to go back and do lighting. I think adding a bit of lighting could be really cool. Not too much, but a little bit of lighting. But that's if I can be bothered. I think last thing I gotta do is dialogue, which I'll do a lot later. And the platforms. I think that's all the red guy did. No, I can't be tempted. I've got to do platforms. Actually, no, I can't do platforms. Because I probably got to go because I'm going to have dinner soon. So I'm going to have to, unfortunately, call a game over in the chat in a minute. But next stream, we'll do the platforms in here. And then we'll obviously use that code to do the next room that we were working on. And then we can go back to actually working on the game. But yeah, I'm going to have to put some game overs in the chat and maybe a little blue guy. There you go. Well, thank you so much for joining the stream, and I don't know when I'll next stream, but I'll message in group chats and things if anyone's curious. Yeah,